Yeah. Hi everyone. So for today's webinar, we will be taking your queries. So you can just write it down your queries, and if you have any platform knowledge you would be requiring, so you can just let me know. And today I'll be taking your queries. So my name is Akshay. I'm the team from the customer success of Learnyst. So today we'll be taking all the queries or any product knowledge which will be required. So we'll be happy to help you further. However, we have received certain queries from our end, so we'll be taking those queries first. So first of all, I'll be also explaining you how to do the marketing part. I'll be also taking those things to help you do the marketing and start and track all the marketing tools which we'll be implementing within the Learnist platform. And also I'll be making sure that these things can be implemented in the Learnist platform itself. So first, we'll take all the queries which we have received from the past week. So we'll be making sure the first will resolve, and I'll also ensure that these product knowledge has to be given. So I'll be just taking it up right now. So let's get started. So in this today's sessions, I'll be explaining you the marketing tool which we have in Learnist. So if you go to the Learnist admin dashboard, we have certain marketing tools which we are inbuilt in the platform, and which will be helping you to attract more learners, and it will help you to improve the learner engagements. So when you navigate to the marketing tools here, you can see the messengers, workflows, forms, campaigns, CTA, promo sliders, events, integrations, and newsfeed. So today we'll be taking the CTAs. We will be completing the forms. Promo slider, which we have released recently, I'll be showing you the promo slider how to do it. So these things we'll be doing in the today's webinar. So let's get started. So first of all, what is CTA? So CTA is basically it stands with the call to actions. So these are the things which helps as a lead magnet. It attracts the learners to approach and make sure you can approach in a right manner. It will help you to target certain those things which will attract the learners in the admin dashboard. So first we'll create the CTA, that is a call to action. So we have different types of call to actions. We have some certain, it is known as a pop-up box. So whenever a particular target URL is being hit in a certain scenarios, a pop-up message will be reflecting where the learners can provide the inputs, and it will be automated. So as soon they are providing the inputs, automatically whatever the automation tool you want to have it, in terms of sending a message, sending resources, or sending some marketing tools, like it can be coupon codes or different types of approaches, you can attract a learner whenever they are filling the data. Next we have buttons. So embed button is certainly a new way to approach. Whenever a button is being clicked, automatically a pop-up message will be coming up. So this will also trigger attract a learner's approach in a different way. Next we have a sticky banner. So sticky banner is basically, it will be stick in a particular URL, targeted URL, within the learner portal. And you can also attract the learners in terms of if you are selling in a discount price, or you want to have a webinar which you want to attract certain learners, or one-on-one session if you want to keep with a certain group of learners. So this can be also help you over the scenario. Next we have a slide ins. So slide in is basically just a notification you want to give whenever the portal is being active from the learner end. Some slide in information you can share. So we'll start with some pop-up box and all. So let's get started. We'll just see if anyone has arrived. Understood. So let's get started. So first we'll create the CTA pop-up. That is a call to action. The first will be the pop-up box. Now, when we are getting started, since pop-up box is basically a submission form, so first we need to create a form to add in a call to action so that the whole workflow is enabled. So first we'll go to the form page. You can navigate to the marketing section, and here you can see the form here. So we'll click here. This will look like this. You can just click on the create button. So first we will be creating a form for a Suppose today I'm thinking to have a webinar or super webinar, or in terms of having resources to be sent whenever basically the message is being filled, and I want to send certain resources or coupon code, something like that. So let's get started. So I'll just fill the form. I'll just create a form. So this form will be for, like, suppose it can be a previous year question paper. Certain scenarios you can think, like whenever so I'll just copy here and paste it. The form, and the form name will be get last year question paper. So this will be my form name. I'll create it here. Now I'll go here, I'll add the fields, what kind of information I would be requiring. The first, by default it will ask for the email ID. However, I'll also go with certain information like name. I'll add it here. Now I'll add the phone number if you want to add the phone number. Next we have the drop down menu, which is the interest field. So I'll just add it here. So suppose the interest would be the grade. If I want to name it, fill the grade. Just make some A plus, A, B plus, and B. So this way I've made it. So I can also make some mandatory field. Email ID is mandatory by default. I can place the name as a mandatory field, and I can also this phone number as a mandatory field. So now this mandatory field has been added. Now I'll go to the embed forms. I can also share this link, generate link. You can also share this link to collect the information. However, how it will be looking? So this will be look like this. So this is the view, how it will be visible as a form. I can just do edit here. I can select the colors. I can also mention the name as get now. I'll save it. Else I can add a note. Thank you. I can also enable a thank you message. Thank you. You will receive shortly. So this message I have created it. I'll just save it. So this is the information I have given. Now I'll just quickly publish it. So first step to create a form has been done. Next step will be adding the form in the CTA. So we'll go here. We'll come to the CTA option. So we have a CTA option under the marketing CTA option. So we'll create a CTA here. Now this is a pop-up box. So we'll just click on the pop-up box. Now we'll create a pop-up box like get your past papers. Paper. I'll just create it. So this will look like this. So it will be preview here. Once you are clicking on the edit sections, you will be getting the edit option here. So it will be automatically redirected to the our builder page where you can do the editings and all. However, one thing we want to understand is the URL, targeted URL. So suppose if I want to target in my learn portal, so I'll go to the learn portal. So basically, this will be my learning portal where I can sign up, signing, everything is available here. Now, suppose I want to target in a particular URL. So suppose this particular URL is being hit, a particular pop-up message will be coming. So already you can see these are the pop-up message. It is coming here. So you can also, I can also search for others as well. So I'll just quickly see what I can show the pop-up message. So for example, if I just click on the communication classes, yeah. So there is no pop-up message right now. So I'll do here, I'll just target this, copy this URL. I'll go to the targeting here. And here, when you see here that this is the targeting page where you can configure the CTA. So when the website URL is having the value this, it should show the CTA. So I can just do other changes as well. Filter condition, visitors, contacts, sign up users. I can just choose every time it should be repeated. So these things I can do this here. Now preview section, I'll just go to the edits and builder page. So I can just click on this particular box and I can connect my form here. So this is the form which I have created, get last year question paper. I'll save this, automatically the form will be visible here. Now I can also add the images. If you want to add the images, you can just click here, you can add image here. So for example, I'll get some image from the Google, get past paper. So I'll just quickly see if we have something in the images. So for example, if I would like to have this image, we'll just quickly save this image. We have in JPG format as well. So I'll now come in the builder. I'll just drag it here, upload it here. So this has been added here. So based on this, you can also make these changes. However, this is done. I'll quickly save it. You can do the other changes as well. You have the builder page. You can do other changes, color combinations, text spacing, borders, corners. These are the changes we can also do it. So you can explore that too. Next, we have CTA animations as well. If you want animation something like this or something like this, so it will reflect like this. So I'll just click any animation here. I'll save it. Now the CTA animations and the configuration is done successfully. Now I'll go to the publish status here. I'll make it live. Now the CTA has been live now. So whenever I come here, I'll just refresh this page. So the CTA should be reflecting like this. So this is the CTA, it will be reflecting like this. So this is how you create a CTA. So now CTA has been created, but the information, for example, if I write my information, so for example, I'll just quickly write my information. I'm going to @learnyst.com, name, and I can just, you can see the drop down, how it will be looking like this. Get now, I'll enter, I think, yes. So yeah, here, get now. So the form is being submitted here. So thank you, you'll receive your resources in your email ID shortly. So this is how the CTA will be working. So it would like this. So we have created the CTA. So it is how it looks like this. So we have completed the first thing, which is the CTA part. Now the first part of the CTA, which is the pop-up box. Now we'll be moving ahead to the embed button. So embed button is nothing like a button. Whenever it is clicked, it will show the pop-up message. So we'll create it like here. Get your resources. So this button is like this. I can just click on the edit section here. So you can make the changes here. If I just select blue color something here, save it. It looks like this. I can embed the CTA here. I can also preview it, and just I can just preview like this. Link to a CTA. A CTA will be saved and publish it. So this embed button is now here accessible. We'll open something from here. So whenever the this particular URL is being hit, the CTA will be having, so get now button, automatically this data will be fetched. So it works like this. Now we'll be moving to the sticky banner. So this is more important and it's more attractive. So sticky banner is just a banner which will be reflecting. So suppose if I am having a super live demo, which I want to navigate to a particular product, a free enroll courses, to have a live class there. So I want the workflow in such a way that in a particular free course I will be having a live webinar, but I want to attract my users, so I would add that product, and I will create a live class in that product, and I'll link that product with a banner. So we'll show how to do that. So here we'll go here, like super live demo. This will give a super live class. Create. So banner will look like this. We can also target this. So I want to target in the communication class itself. So I'll paste that the URL of the communication class. So I'll quickly go and copy the URL of that particular product. Or if I want to show in other pages as well, I can show that as well. So suppose instead of my different product, I want to show in the test itself here. So you can see right now there is no pop-up or something message is coming right now. We'll copy this URL and we'll paste the value here. We'll first save it. I will make it repeat and save it. Now we'll just go to the builder page to build my sticky banner. I'll also go to the Google and super live class. I'll search something images which can be helpful. Let's copy this one. We'll save this one, or we can save this as well. So two images I have saved it. Now I'm in the builder page here. We'll see what we can do here. So first of all, my workflow was that join our live class. Join our free live class. Here I'll write enroll now. So here I have added here. So this I'll link here to a particular. So this is a link button. You can click on link here and it will show this page. If I click here, my action will be to go to a particular product checkout page, which will be a free live class. So I'll just check what is the name, general knowledge 2024. So I'll search general knowledge 2024. I'll save it. This is done. So this will be always navigate to that particular test part. Now this is done. I can also do the color as well. So suppose if I want to change the color something, I can do that. I can also increase the image here like this. I can change the color to something green or something like this. I can do that. So we'll keep it like this. I'll save it. Now this sticky banner has been saved like this. Now we'll come here and go to publish status. So this part is done. I have saved it. Now this is done, saved successfully. I close this window. I'll come here and make it publish here. Now this is done. Now what I will do, I'll come here, general knowledge. I'll just quickly refresh it. So after refreshing it, the sticky banner will be looking like this. So this is, so whenever this is being clicked, it will redirect to the checkout page. So you can do that as well. I think, yeah, it is already redirecting here. So anyhow, if anyone is here like this, it can redirect. So we were already in the checkout page, so it's look like this. So here it will be, you can strategize accordingly. So this will look like this. Now we have also done the sticky banner. Now we'll go to the last one, which is the sliding. So we'll also see the sliding part as well. So now this is something like a super live demo. Join us now. Create. Oh, we have already a demo like this. 2025. I'll write it. Okay. Let me just quickly refresh this page. Okay. So I was just logged out. I'll quickly relog in. Yeah. Now I'll go to the marketing CTA. Create it. Slide in. I click here. Super live classes. Join us now. Create it here. Now we are doing here, so it looks like this. So we'll target it certain URL. So I'll just go to my learn portal again. I'm in my learn portal. So I want that whenever the learn portal is being triggered, a sliding message should be coming. So you can see some CTA pop-up is coming, some banners are coming right now. So we want a sliding here as well. So we'll go here and we'll copy the URL of my learn portal. I'll copy this. I'll come here and target the value here. Save. I also want repeat. So save it now. This is done. Now I'll go to the preview page. I'll quickly edit this part. So it will redirect it to the builder page now. Now in my builder page, I'll copy here. I'll remove this one. I'll just remove this and upload a new one, which we have something like this. Yes, I'll just copy here free live classes. Join us now, and I can see the link here. I want certainly that it should redirect to some free product detail page. I'll want that to be go to here, something like this. Join us now. So here we have created something like this. I'll see if we can do something white. I can also do some changes like here. So we have done something here like this. You can also highlight something gradients if I can watch. So it will look like this. This is done. I'll just save it here. So this part is also done. Successfully uploaded. We'll cross this. We'll publish it. So we have targeted in this particular URL. We can see how it will be looking, and we can also now go to the publish status and we'll make it live. Now we'll go to the learn portal. So if I just quickly refresh it, some sliding should be coming. So first it will be a CTA pop-up. Next we have a sliding like this. So whenever I click on join now, it will redirect it to the particular product page which I have selected. So it look like this. So this is how this marketing tools. Now we'll also quickly see the this is promo slider. So this is also a good tool which can be used. So we have promo slider like this. So we'll go how to create it. Now we have completed the four important types of CTAs. Now we'll go to the promo slider. So promo slider the promo slider which I have already created. I'll just make it unpublished. Show new one. I'll just unpublish now. Now we'll create a new promo slider. So for that I want something Yeah, so it looks good here. Something. So I'll just copy this image, save image, JPG format. I'll also see like this also. This is also nice. I'll also see something. This also will save it. So we have done certain. We have included three promo sliders images. Now we'll create it here. We'll click on create. So this will be something like sales promo. I'll create here. So first, it will always be visible in the Learn portal. So the first portal, it will be visible. I can just click on the edit section here, and I'll directly publish it by here. Basic information. These are the basic information which we have already added. And now go to the preview status. I have click on the edit section. It is redirecting to the builder page. So I'll click here. I'll go to the edit section. So this is the pre-default by default. We'll click here in the pencil icon. So I can just remove and upload a new one. So first will be this one, which I have added here. The first is this. Next, slide one instead of slide one, sale one. I'll just add it here. Link to a product sales page. The product will be some product. I'll just quickly select it like this. I can also set the expiry as well, like 30th September. I'll save it. So first is done. Now this will be sale 2. I'll update the image. We'll go this one now. This is also done. I can link to this particular community dashboard. I can select the community with this one. This can also be expiry with this one. Save it. Now I'll go to this particular slide 3. So this will be sale 3. I'll update the image. So this is also done. Now I can also contain this. Navigate to community. You can also select the external link. If you want to navigate to different link, you can do that. I'll do the community, or if you want an external link, you can do that as well. So suppose I can do the community dashboard uh, here. Something I don't want to save the expiry. Let it be without expiry. So this is all done. Now I'll just save it. We'll now go to this admin dashboard, and we'll quickly live it like this. So this is done. Now we'll go to the my learn portal. So first is the URLs. So now you can see the first, there's some pop-ups, some slide-ins. Now it is looking like a full-fledged tools. If I just click on this, it will redirect it to a particular community which I have set it to here. Now if I go back, if I click this one, it is going to this particular page. If I go here, I can just go here in this, and I can just see that as well. And if I want to navigate, I can just click here, and if I just click this one, this will redirect it to this community page. So this is how this promo slider works. So it will always be reflected in the learn portal, the first page of the learners. So now we have some slide-ins, we have some promo sliders. Now some of the, if I click on this particular general knowledge which I have added here, some sticky banners are coming here. And also if I just select on my communication classes which I have added the CTA call to action of a pop-up box. So automatically it will be having some pop-up bugs like this. So this is how the CTAs works, and this is we have completed the first phase of the marketing. So I hope it was a fruitful sessions. So if you have any queries, you can let me know, or you can mail us to support@learnist.com, and we'll be here for help.